Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to dive into how to build a high-converting landing page on GoHighLevel in 2025. Whether you're an agency owner, freelancer, or business looking to generate leads, this step-by-step tutorial will help you create pages that convert. So first, what is GoHighLevel? GoHighLevel, or GHL, is an all-in-one marketing automation platform. It combines CRM, email marketing, funnels, and automation with a drag-and-drop landing page builder. This means you don't need coding skills to create professional, high-performing landing pages. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with forms, calendars, and your automation workflows. Let's get started. The first step is to log in to your GHL dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Sites, then select Funnels. Funnels are the backbone of your landing pages. They let you organize each step of your conversion process from lead capture to follow-up. Next, you have two options. Either create a new funnel from scratch or select an existing one. If you're starting fresh, click plus New Funnel, give it a name, something like Free Ebook Sign Up, and hit Create Funnel. Once your funnel is ready, it's time to add a funnel step. Click Add New Step, name it, and select Page as the step type. Here you can choose from GoHighLevel's free templates or start with a blank page. Templates are great because they're already optimized for conversions and save you tons of time. Now comes the fun part, customizing your page. Open the editor and you can edit your headline, make it catchy and value-driven. Add form elements using GHL's Form Builder to capture leads. Insert CTA buttons that drive action like download now or book a free consultation. Enhance visuals with images, videos, or icons to make your page appealing. Once your page looks great, it's time to set SEO and tracking settings. Click on the Settings tab in the editor. Here you can add your page title, meta description, and connect tracking scripts like Google Analytics or Metapixel. This ensures you can measure your performance and make data-driven improvements. Don't forget mobile optimization. Toggle to mobile view and adjust spacing, fonts, and layout. A majority of your visitors will likely be on mobile, so your page must look perfect on every device. Finally, it's time to save, publish, and test. Click Save and Publish. Visit your live URL and test all elements, forms, buttons, and responsiveness. Make sure everything works seamlessly before promoting your page. Here are a few bonus tips for higher conversions. Keep your CTA above the fold so visitors see it immediately. Use bullet points to highlight key benefits. Add social proof like testimonials or reviews. Create a sense of urgency like limited time offers. Experiment with A/B testing different headlines, images, or CTA colors. With GoHighLevel, you're not just building a page, you're creating a conversion engine. By integrating your forms, automations, and analytics, GHL lets you capture leads effortlessly and nurture them through your funnel. That's it for today's tutorial. If you want to learn more about optimizing landing pages or automating your marketing, check out our other GHL guides. And remember, if you want hands-on help, Control F5 offers free consultations and expert support for building high-converting GHL landing pages. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our next marketing tutorial. Start building your high-converting landing page today and turn visitors into leads with GoHighLevel.